Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this new video. Guys, today I'm here to explain you about seasoning shop reviews, and in this video I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. Guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So this is the homepage of this website, guys, and the citizens from United States are curious to know about this website, and this website is offering TPR silicone brush head toilet brush, whose cost is $45.99. Apart from that, they are offering digital kitchen scale LCD display whose cost is $49.99. So these are the products that they are offering. Now guys, talking about the payment information, so you can see the modes of payment which are available on the site are MX, Apple Pay, JCB, MasterCard, Visa, etc. And coming to the shipping policy of this website, so they have not mentioned the shipping policy section, guys, which is a negative sign. And guys, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. And let's discuss those important points on which we can judge this site as a scam or legit website. So guys, this site is using a valid HTTPS connection, which is a positive sign. But talking about the domain information, this domain name was created on 21st of February 2021, and this particular site is just 17 days old, guys. According to a study, we have found that this domain is registered for 1 year only. So we can't claim this site legit on the basis of domain age factor because this is a newly launched website. Coming to the company's detail, let's check out the About Us page, but you can see they have not mentioned any About Us page or information related to business offering, which is a bad sign. Coming to the contact details, they didn't provide the contact details in the footer menu as well, which is a negative sign, guys. And apart from that, when it comes to the social media existence, so you can take a look that the site has no social media existence at all, which is a red alert, and we can't claim this site legit on the basis of these factors as well. Now coming to the return or refund policy, let's check out the return policy of this website. For that, you need to visit the return policy section. So they have mentioned 30-day return policy, which means that you will have 30 days after receiving your item for requesting a return, guys. And if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Guys, do comment about your experience regarding return or refund of the product. And talking about seasoning shop reviews, so yes, we didn't found customer reviews about the site on the internet as well as on the official website, which is again biggest drawbacks of this website. And apart from that, the trust index score of the site is 1%, guys, which is very bad. It means that the site is not much popular online, and this particular website has an unknown trustworthiness score. Guys, in the final conclusion, we would say the site appears to be a scam website because this site is not professionally managed, and absence of contact details, about us page, social media existence, zero security measures, poor design of website, unprofessional way of content and images, cropped images, led to believers that it is highly suspicious site and possibly a scam. Guys, if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video because we read all your comments over every video. So guys, hit the like button, share the video with your friends and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Have a good day.